Standard 3rd, Science, Chapter number 2, Keeping Safe. Dear children, accidents may occur everywhere, anytime, without giving any warning to us. Accidents usually occur due to our carelessness. Look at the following pictures carefully. Here they have given examples of carelessness. If you will do any carelessness, then you will have any kind of accident. Here they have given in the first that he is telling that Raja, let us paint together. Then he is telling that I can't. My finger got cut with the blade when I was sharpening my pencil. So whenever you want to sharpen a pencil, always you have to use sharpener, not blade. Here, Renu, let us go to play. Rani, I slept on the toy car. I left it on the floor and hurt myself. She had kept some toy on the floor and her leg fell on the toy and she slept and she got hurt. So you can see this in the picture that the girl has hurt on her leg. Here third, Priya, you must throw the peel in the dustbin. One may fall and get hurt. But she is not listening, and what she is telling that it is my room, I will throw it anywhere, wherever I want. Means she is telling good manner, but she is not listening her, and she is throwing banana peel in her room. And after some time, she fell down. See, Priya, be careful. She is speaking, and she felt, hey, I have learned a lesson on safety today. Here, chapter begins. To avoid accidents, we should be careful and alert. We should follow safety rules all the time and everywhere. Here they have given that always we have to follow the safety rules and we have to be careful and alert. So this type you will not face any problem while you are doing any activity. Here are some safety rules to be followed at home, on the road, and at school, and in the playground. Here they have given safety rules for the home, on the road, or at a school, and in the playground. Here they have given first that safety while traveling in a bus. While you are traveling in the bus, at that time which type of safety we have to follow, they have given here in the 4 points. That first is stand in a queue at the bus stop while boarding the bus. While you are waiting for any bus, then at that time you have to stand in a queue, and then when the bus comes you have to go in a line only. You have to make a queue and then you have to go. Queue means line. Do not lean out or put your hand out of the window of a moving bus. While the bus is moving, at that time you don't have to lean your head out of the window. You can see in the second picture that the boy is leaning out of the window of a moving bus. Do not get in or out of a moving bus. You can see this in the picture. Here they have given third number point. They do not get in or out of a moving bus. You can see this boy is moving out of the bus. And fourth is never disturb the bus driver and keep quiet in the bus. You can see this picture that the boy is disturbing the bus driver. He is closing his eyes. If you will do so, then accident may occur because the driver cannot able to see, and the possibility of accident is more. Here safety on the road. Which type of safety we have to follow while you are going on the road? You must follow these safety rules on the road. Always walk on the footpath. We have to walk on the footpath. Don't walk on the road. Do not run across the road. We don't have to run while you are crossing the road. Always use zebra crossing, subway, or foot over bridge to cross the road. You can see these two children are crossing the road with the help of overbridge. You can see that here use footpath, overbridge to cross the road. And here one boy is use zebra crossing to cross the road. This is the good way to cross the road or traveling on the road. Then we should not cross the where it is. Yes, always use zebra crossing or subway or foot overbridge to cross the road, as I explained you. And last is you should cross the road only when the pedestrian traffic light is green. When the pedestrian traffic light is green, at that time only you have to cross the road. How many types of lights are there? Red, green and yellow. So when the green light is, the pedestrian light is on, at that time only you have to cross the road. If there is no traffic light, look at the right, then the left, and again to the right, to the left, and cross the road when it is clear. Whenever you cross the road, at that time first you have to see your right side, then your left side, again you have to see your right side, and then if any vehicle is not coming, then only you have to cross the road. Otherwise you have to wait till the vehicle is passing near you. Stay on the left side of the road while riding a bicycle. When you are riding the bicycle, always you have to see that you have to keep your side on the left only. It is your right side. If you will go on your left side of the road, then it is your right side to ride the bicycle. Safety in the playground. While you are playing in the ground, at that time which type of safety you have to follow? That here they have given that you must follow the safety rules in the playground so that you and your friend are safe. Which type of rules we have to follow? That here while playing, always follow the rules of the game. Do not play rough games. All the games have its rules, so you have to follow the rules and you have to play the game. You can see that the boy is throwing ball to him and he get hurt. It is a bad manner and it is not safety for others also. While playing at the swing, merry-go-round or seesaw, do not push other. Wait for your turn. While you are going in the park, at that time swings are there, merry-go-round is there, seesaw is there. So you don't have to push others till they are playing. Wait for your turn, and when your turn come, at that time you have to go. Otherwise you will get hurt. Here they have given MCQ: cross the road when the pedestrian traffic light is red, green and blue. So when it is pedestrian light is green, at that time only you have to cross the road. So B is the right answer. In a bus we must keep quiet. You have to keep quiet and you have to sit in the bus. We should not play rough games is the right answer. Safety at home. Which type of safety we have to keep at home? I will show you in the next video.